In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a product in Pipedrive, a useful tool for managing your sales pipeline. The process is straightforward, but to ensure success, I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Pipedrive homepage. This is your base of operations, and from here, all the wonderful product management features of Pipedrive are just a few clicks away. Once you're on the homepage, locate and select the Products section. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today. After clicking Products, you'll notice a button labeled Plus Product. Go ahead and click on that. It opens up a new window where we can enter all the details about the product we're adding. First, you'll want to type in the product name. This is crucial because it's how you'll identify the product in your inventory. Ensure it's something clear and recognizable. Next, there's an option to input a product code. If you have a code system already in place for your products, this field can be immensely helpful in keeping things organized. Though it's optional, I recommend using it if possible. Moving on, you'll be prompted to select a category for your product. Categories help keep similar products together and improve your inventory's organization. You can type in a category if you have one in mind, or go ahead and create a new category if your current list doesn't fit this product. Once your product's category is set, it's time to enter the product units. This detail is essential, especially if your product is sold in specific quantities. Units can be anything like kilograms, liters, or pieces, whatever suits your product best. Next up is setting the billing frequency. Click on billing frequency and take your pick from the available options. Choose what's most applicable to you, whether it's a one-time fee, monthly, yearly, or any other frequency that suits your product's nature. Then, determine the price of your product. This is the amount you intend to charge customers before any taxes. If applicable, you can then indicate the product tax. This ensures transparency and compliance with any tax regulations. Visibility is the next consideration. You have several options to choose from regarding who can see the product information. It ranges from the item owner's visibility group to everyone in the company. Choose the level of transparency that aligns with your business practices. Lastly, once all information is entered and reviewed, click Save. This action confirms your entries and adds the product to your inventory, making it accessible for future transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully added a product in Pipedrive. With these steps, managing your products should be a breeze, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. Have a great day managing your sales with Pipedrive.